Harvesting trays with no buyer is compost with extra steps. Orders exist, so production follows demand, not the other way around. Orders is at plantmood.farm, the farm manager page that connects sales to production. Manual farm orders, recurring standing orders, shop checkouts, and the batches that fulfill them all live in one place. The page has 2 tabs. Orders and planting schedule combines a forward-looking production calendar with the unified orders list. Customers and order history groups past orders by customer for repeat buyers. The planting schedule table is your production calendar. Columns show the source, manual or shop, recipe, due date, sow by date, optimal sow, urgency, days remaining, and quantity. Urgency badges read linked, overdue, today, soon, or on track. Expand any row to see customer, contact, plant, and batch details, plus actions to link existing batches or create new ones per line item. The orders table filters by source, all, manual, or shop, and by status, pending, contacted, confirmed, fulfilled, canceled, or refunded. A status help dialog explains each state. Each order row expands to show buyer, contact, totals, linked batch chips, and action buttons. Edit, end recurring on templates, delete, record sale or view sale in finances, and create invoice as a PDF. Creating a new order opens a drawer. Pick a recipe source, Plant Mood System recipes or your own. Enter buyer name, contact, channel, due date, quantity, price, and currency. Optionally link a batch straight away. Enable recurring with a frequency, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, plus start and end dates. This is the feature that makes standing restaurant orders manageable. The Customers tab groups order history by customer. Expand a group to see every manual and shop order for that buyer. New order for customer pre-fills the buyer fields from history, fast for reorders with regulars. Shop checkouts from My Shop appear here automatically. 1 queue, not 2 notebooks. Fulfill the order, then record the sale in finances. Let orders drive the harvest list, not the other way around. Find it under Manager, then Orders when you are signed in.